The instrument must be mounted on a solid, level, horizontal surface. Ensure that all 4 feet of the instrument are in contact with the table surface. Do not mount the instrument on a sliding tabletop. Recommended ambient temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Avoid temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius or direct exposure to sunlight. A certain amount of space must be left around the instrument, at least 10 centimeters on either side. At least 30 centimeters behind for cooling efficiency. Keep away from heat or liquids. Turn on the power switch. Instrument starts self-test. Self-test takes about 20s. Please be patient. It is better to turn on the PCR instrument in advance to warm it up. First enter the user management screen. Register account, set password. Then log in. The system defaults to guest as the public account. No need to register to log in. Go to Document Management. When the system is under the guest user, the created experimental program files are saved in the public folder. When logging into a registered account, the experimental program files will be automatically saved in the folder with the same name as your account in the private file. Select Folder Options, Copy-Paste in the menu bar below. You can copy files from a private folder to a public folder. Click on the home page to enter the settings interface. Network settings, connecting to nearby Wi-Fi. Under the same Wi-Fi, you can control the instrument remotely by using the app. Time, set the time zone and current date. Sound, can be selected to be on or off. Key tone, alarm tone, program receiving tone, temperature arrival tone. Server, for host computer communication. Language, users can choose between Chinese and English languages. Choose a language that suits you. In the Tools screen there are 2 functions, Gradient Calculator and TM Calculator. Gradient Calculator. After entering the temperature low point and temperature high point, automatic calculation of gradient width. Whole temperatures for each column can be viewed on the right-hand side. TM Calculator. The TM value of the primer is automatically calculated after entering the sodium ion concentration and primer sequence. Open the hot lid and insert the sample. Adjustment knob via hot cover. Different heights of the hot cover can be adjusted to better match different sample tubes. Turn clockwise and press the cover down until you hear a click. Turn the knob counterclockwise and the hot cover lifts up. Enter the new file screen. Click on plus temperature step to add the program temperature step. Set the current temperature in the box below each step. Then in the box below each current temperature, setting the current temperature runtime. Finally set the loop step. First check the step to start jumping step 4. Then click on plus loop step to add a loop interval. In the box below go to fill in the starting step of the loop to jump to step 2 and cycle number 29. If a step requires a temperature gradient, you can select the step first. Then click on Advanced Settings, setting the whole temperature low point separately, whole temperature highs, gradient widths, temperature increment per cycle, temperature increment on, time increment per cycle, time increment on, rate of temperature change. After setting up the program, sequential settings, file name, reaction system, hot cap temperature. In the default state the thermal cover is opened at 110 degrees Celsius. Save the file. Start the run. If you need to pause the program, click the pause button. If termination of the program is required, click stop to terminate the program and exit to the home page. Some experiments such as enzyme-linked reactions or just simple denaturation setups. Then you can select the incubation program. Go to the Hatch Wizard screen. After setting the start temperature and time as well as whether the hot cover is on or not and the temperature of the hot cover, click to start running the program. First of all, we check the name of each PCR instrument from the setup interface, local information, so that it can be found in the software. The two computers we connected were. Before the operation of the PCR supporting PC software installed on the computer, double-click on the mouse to open the software. Click on Autoscan to search for instruments. Note that the instrument must be on the same network as the computer to be searched. Then select one of the PCR instruments. Click on New Folder and do the same to create a new program. Here I directly imported the previously saved 11-inch experimental program. Click on Device Management to return. Click on Running Status to see what programs are running. Comparison with PCR instrument screen run program, no difference. If you want to suspend or terminate the program, click Run Status and select Pause or Stop.